I'm gonna raise a fuss, I'm gonna raise a holler. Might have working all summer just to try to earn $1. Every time I call my baby to try to get a date, my boss says, no die, son, you've got to work late. Sometimes I wonder what am I gonna do, but there ain't no cure for the summertime blues.
Hi everybody, my name's Troy Hawes and welcome once again to another edition of My Acoustic Lounge. Today we're going to travel back to the late 50s and we're going to review a great song called Summertime Blues. It was written by Eddie Cochran and another gentleman named Jerry Capehart. Summertime Blues peaked at number 8 on the Billboard Hot 100 in September of 1958. This great song has been covered countless times over the last 50 years, and it's a must-have in your repertoire if you're a guitar player. Now, before we get started, be sure to click the subscribe button, as I'm always trying to put up new content on a regular basis. In addition, if you like my guitar tutorials and covers, you might actually also like my original music, which can now be purchased or streamed from any one of your favorite online music providers. Simply look up Troy Hawes and you'll find my music there. Now what we're going to do first is we're going to look at the chords that you're going to need to know. Then we'll perform an acoustic lounge version of this great song. Afterwards, we'll go in depth and have a closer look at the chord progressions. As always, I'm going to use a great backbeat from my Beatbuddy by Singular Sound. So if you want to learn a great song from the 50s, stick around. We're going to get started right now. Alright, in order to get all the way through Summertime Blues, you're only going to need to know 3 chords. Let's have a look at them now. The first one is an E major. You're going to need to know an A chord. And finally, a chord called a B7. That's it. Those 3 chords are going to get you all the way through this great song. Let's get to the cover.
Try to earn $1. Every time I call my baby to try to get a date, my boss says, no die, son, you've got to work late. Sometimes I wonder what am I gonna do, but there ain't no cure for the summertime blues. Well, my mom and papa told me, son, you gotta make some money if you wanna use the car to go ride next Sunday. Well, I didn't go to work till the boss I was sick. You can't use the car cause you didn't work a lick. Sometimes I wonder what am I gonna do, but there ain't no cure for the summertime blues. Vacation. Gonna take my problems to the United Nations. Well, I called up the congressman and he said, quote, I'd like to help you, son, but you're too young to vote. Sometimes I wonder what am I gonna do, but there ain't no cure for the summertime blues.
let's jump right into the chord progressions. We're going to break this into 3 parts for you. We're going to start with that little riff that appears throughout the song. Then we're going to have a look at the verses, and then we'll finish things off with a look at the chorus. Again, the song is very, very simple. It's really just made up of 3 verses and 3 choruses. Not much in the way of a bridge to this song, which makes it very, very easy. Let's start with that riff. Alright, that riff that's played throughout the song, basically after each chorus but before you go back into the verse. All of the action for this easy riff is played on the 4th string of the 1st and 2nd fret. The 4th string on the 1st fret is a D sharp, and then the 2nd fret is an E. Now, it's very simple. It's just basically 1 hit of the D sharp and 2 of the E. Now, the trick here, if you can, is you want to bend that E note. So again, the rhythm is important. And that's really it. Very, very simple to play. You'll have to practice it, of course, a few times, just like anything else, but I know you'll be able to get it down. Let's get into the verses next. Okay, starting on the E major chord, this great song goes something like this. I'm gonna raise a fuss, I'm gonna raise a holler, about working all summer just to try to earn $1. Every time I call my baby to try to get a date, my boss says, no dice, son, you gotta work late. And that then just jumps right into the chorus. Let's have a look at it right now. Okay, the chorus starts on the A major chord. Here we go. Sometimes I wonder what I'm gonna do, but there ain't no cure for the summertime blues. And there you have it. Very, very easy song to learn, a fun song to play, and I hope you enjoy it. Summertime Blues by Eddie Cochran. Thank you for tuning in to My Acoustic Lounge. My name is Troy Hawes. Again, if you like my guitar tutorials and covers, please consider subscribing. I do truly, truly appreciate it. Until the next time, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.